I feel it's very special when you say to our audience, how do you get inspired and what were you thinking when you do this? No, like what do you think when you design?
So the first thing I think about is what the couple looks like, right? How tall, how small, what her dress is gonna look like specifically, so how is it gonna sit? So when we do the renderings, I put the couple in the huppah. So that's actually the bride, the groom, and the rabbi. And we're gonna make the bride really, really stand out by not having the huppah overtake the scenery. We decided that for this one, that the couple was gonna be
The scent.
the center and the star.
Very clean.
Very clean.
Love it.
Great. That's it. All right.
There you go.